Here's a fan I've been wanting to get for a long time now, and I finally found one at work today at one of the gas stations. It's another gas station fan. And paid $15 for it. Don't see very many of these, so I figured that was worth it. It's a 2-speed Lakewood C-122-X, and appears to be in pretty good shape. Just a few nicks here and there. Has all the feet. No rust in it. And this is as found. All I have done to it is oil the motor with this right here. And I don't know what happened here or why this melted a little bit. I don't know if it turned over and was left running and the motor overheated. I don't know. Seems to work okay. But that's probably the worst damage on it right there. And it appears somebody has repaired cracks in the grill with some Gorilla Glue. So I don't even know if the grill will come off easily. I don't know if they've glued the grill on or what. I haven't tried to take it off. But here's a little close-up of some of the info on the motor. And I believe this to be from 1983. It says it's got, that says OA83 on it, so figuring some kind of date code for 1983. And I am also not familiar with this motor. I don't know who made it. It had that sticker on it. Oh, there's a little spot right there. I think that's just dirt. I think that'll clean off. Just a few minor scratches here and there. Nothing too bad. No broken grill slats. And here's a size comparison. I've got a grill off of my K223. I'm trying to figure out a way to repair grill slats. I picked these up. Found these on eBay. They're just a little bit narrow. Straight on they look pretty good. I think it'll be an alright repair. From a distance you really can barely tell. So I think it will be an acceptable repair. But anyway, back to the featured fan. Turn it on high. Low. That'd be just right for me to sleep to right there. It's not very loud at all on low. And off and spin down. See what it sounds like from the back. Here's high. Here's low. And back to off. Yeah, I'm really happy to have found one of these after a long time of looking.